Hiya, James Braithwaite here. This isn't a road test, it's more of me re-oiling a steering rack on this Isuzu short wheelbase tipper. This is the first truck I've actually been behind the driver's seat of and helped work on, to be honest. We've greased up the steering rack and just sprayed some lubrication down the steering column, and we're hoping it gets into the right places. Quite for a truck, it's quite luxurious. I'm in an electric window, so pretty good. This brake's not got much feel to it though. The gearbox on this particular Isuzu Tippa is the wrong way around, so it's a bit like that MB100D Westphalia that I drove a couple of years back, which was quite interesting. Bloody hell. I hope this thing works. It's starting to get a bit freer now. This is a 2017 model, so it's quite recent. It's only got 50,000 miles on it. I'm like a DJ in this. I have all the fun, don't I? Lefts and rights, but you don't go anywhere. Lights aren't like good on this, are they? It's a good way to keep fit, this. I'll have to recommend it. Hang on a minute. I think it's worked! So I just shouting to my colleagues that this stiff steering seems to be lubricating itself a bit. Which is always a good thing. I'm glad my flat hasn't got this much dust. Anyway, that's pretty much all I can show you of what I'm doing at the minute, so wish me luck, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!